Well, we got us one. It's a nice fish, skinny fish. Big old head on him. Got him on the old 7-inch worm. Oh, he come right off. Got him. It's a good one there. 2 and some change. Got him one. Guppy. Let me see when you get done. Let me see the drag on that.
Yeah, that was.
Look at that, bud. Freaking biggins. We're out here freaking hammering them. Right in the top of the dome. That's a short, stocky one right there. 6 cents doing work. Dude, that was 4 pounder, 4 pound plus. That was a 20-incher. I just had another bite. Oh, it's a freaking giant, dude. Oh, it's a giant. Oh my God, it's a giant. Watch out. Oh boy. Freaking biggins, bud. Look at that. He's long, skinny one. Oh. Oh. Dude, I almost just went in the drink. Oh shit. Spot's loaded. The last one I caught, he ate it right next to the boat. Found these good, see these weeds right here?
Yeah.
They're alive. I got another one. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh boy, what is this? Might be a pike. Yep. Stupid ass freaking pike. Get out of here. God, there's only giants out here, dude. Look at that one. That doesn't even help us, I don't think. Look at that. Another nice one. Fat boy, too. Frickin' hammering them, dude. I mean, beating them down. What's going on, everybody? We're out here doing some fishing. Me and a buddy of mine. But we're saving our 5 biggest ones of the day. I didn't do an intro. We already got 5 in the box. But yeah, so come along with the ride and see if we can get a couple big ones. We got 5 good ones in the live well right now, probably about, I don't know, 13, 14 pounds, I would guess, with 5. See if we can get some 5-pounders. So, stay tuned. Biggins. Got one? Doinking you? Was it bite?
I don't know.
Yeah. Put the bandito bag on again?
Yeah.
That's a bite. Oh, boys. This is a freaking giant, dude. I mean, I'm talking a big one. And I'm talking big boy. That's a big one. Jesus Christ, dude. Ow! Oh! You bitch. Buddy, that's a freaking toad. I'd say it's a decent fish. A little skinny, big old head. I mean, we got in here now, like freaking.
Ooh.
No, just a 2.5 pounder. Looks like I already caught him. Guppy. Somebody stop me, would they? I got like I got that little technique down or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, that little.
Drag it off.
I like pop it. It gets hung up in them weeds, and I just kind of pull it out of the weeds. I can feel it come up out of them, and then I just pop it up off the bottom. And then I'll pick it up again, and I can feel them. There's another one. Oh, big giant pike. Freaking skinny old boy. What is going on, everybody? So, as you've seen, we caught some fish today. We're back to the house. Crazy day. Probably the most fish size-wise that I've caught, maybe ever. Probably caught 20, 25 bass today. Didn't get all of them on film. Had a couple frogfish that I didn't get on film, but amazing day. I got to hang out with my buddy Kyler. I guess it's one good thing to come from all this coronas. People are getting some time off to do things that they maybe wouldn't have gotten to do otherwise. But if you guys want to see some more videos coming at you, subscribe. I finally got myself a new GoPro, so the videos are going to be a little bit more high quality, I hope. But yeah, subscribe, and catch you on the next one.